If you've been waiting for that perfect custom-built home in Kohala Ranch that's newer, then you've come to the right place. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tanya Kangas, and this is Kohala Coast Living. Today we are in Meadows 1 of Kohala Ranch in this beautiful 2018 custom build. I can't wait to show you around, so let's go take a look. This beautiful custom home sits on its own hill at the end of a cul-de-sac on a driveway that's privately owned by the homeowners. There's no shared access. This is yours. So by the time you reach the top, you already feel it. Nobody's coming up here unless they're coming to see you. But here's one of my favorite moments of the whole house, and it happens the second you open the front door. This gorgeous atrium entry greets you with a floor-to-ceiling window, perfectly framing the poos of Kohala Mountain, turning the view into a piece of art, the courtyard, the garden, and the green mountain rolling behind it. This entry absolutely sets the tone with this beautiful all-wood front door with glass panels. And from here, we walk through this special gallery hallway where artwork can line the walls on both sides before you reach the main living areas. But before we get there, let's walk out straight through these double doors, and you're in this outdoor dining area, completely protected from the wind with full ocean views. Morning coffee, dinner at sunset. This spot works all day long, every day of the year. Before we head back in, let's take a look at these incredible ocean views out here. This is why you buy in the Meadows of Kohala Ranch. We're sitting at right around 2,000 feet of elevation here, and look what it gives you. The ocean stretching all the way down the Kohala Coast. Maui is right across the channel. And from this vantage point, you get sunsets over the Pacific Ocean every single night of the year. Turning to the left, you can see all three mountains, Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, and Hualalai. As the sky goes dark in the evenings, it's pure magic. The resort lights sparkle along the coastline below you, and up here at this elevation, the stars are absolutely incredible. Let's head back inside, and as we cross these lanai spaces, notice the hardy board siding wrapping the home. Super durable, low maintenance, and perfect for this climate. Now we're headed into the heart of the home. This beautiful open concept great room with ceilings that vault up and light that fills up the space. And of course, it's all about the views. This great room has walls of windows on every side, and together they capture the very best views that Kohala Ranch has to offer. These aren't your normal sliders. They're taller, custom-sized doors, so you get more glass and more light and more of that view. Every single window in this home frames its own view. Pasture, mountain, coastline, ocean, it changes as you walk through the home. Let's go check out the kitchen, and you can see this beautiful custom cabinetry. It is solid wood with teak veneer. The range is propane with a convection oven underneath. And the island and countertops are quartz, which gives this whole space an elevated, luxurious feel. The backsplash is a glass tile in a faint blue-green, subtle, but it picks up on the color of the ocean. The open concept living area has a dining space right off the kitchen with a living room in that same open flow. Vaulted ceilings, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and oversized sliding glass doors throughout. As we move down the hall, you'll notice the same custom cabinetry from the kitchen carried throughout the whole home. Teak veneer, all wood cabinetry with glass fronts. Now we're headed into the primary suite. There's a large walk-in closet. It has its own bathroom, and from the bed you get ocean views, mountain views, and the Kohala coastline, which lights up in the evenings. The suite also has its own private lanai through a glass slider. Next, we will head into the primary bathroom. It features a double vanity, a soaking tub set under a window with mountain views, a walk-in shower, and there's a large walk-in closet right across from the bathroom. One of the special things about this home is that it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, so every bedroom can function as its own ensuite. This middle bedroom has its own private lanai, which leads out to a Zen Bathworks cedar soaking tub, specially made in Alaska. It's perfect for watching the incredible sunsets from this 2,000-foot elevation and the Big Island stars after the sun sets. Now let's head into the 3rd bedroom and 3rd bathroom. This room has beautiful mountain views. Every bedroom in this home is large enough to hold a king-size bed comfortably, and each bathroom has a large walk-in shower with beautiful tile work, along with the custom cabinetry and quartz countertops. And across the hallway is the designated laundry room. As we head outside, I'd love to give you some details about this home. It was custom built in 2018, architecture by Merrill Kittinger, built by Redwater Construction. It's 2162 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, on a fully fenced 4.37 acres. And it's remarkably efficient. There are 26 owned PV panels with N-phase battery backup installed in 2022 by Regis Electric, which means extremely low utility bills. There's also a propane tank serving the range, dryer, and tankless on-demand water heater. This Zen Bathworks cedar soaking tub is also tied into the home's PV system, and it's tucked behind a rock wall for added privacy. Let's head out to the backyard, to the private courtyard, the one you saw through the home's atrium entrance. It's been thoughtfully put together with a large paved patio, loungers, succulents, and a beautiful outdoor shower. The outdoor shower can be easily accessed from the garage or from that full glass door leading into the bedroom hallway. This part of the home is just so sweet. It's private, it's peaceful, and it's been thoughtfully curated as a place to rest and relax. The pavers, the hedge, the views, all of it is pointed at one thing: creating a quiet place to rest. Pull up a lounger, and that's the whole afternoon. As we end this tour, let's take one final look at what makes this neighborhood so special: the incredible ocean views up here at this elevation. This is what people come to Kohala Ranch for. In the Meadows, you're at the 1,600 to 2,000 foot elevation level. So you're high enough to see the whole coastline before you. You have ocean views, mountain views, Maui views, and the most incredible sunsets on the Kohala Coast. Thank you so much for joining me today on this episode of Kohala Coast Living. If you have any questions about this home or this neighborhood, please reach out. I'd be happy to help. I have all the information on this home, so if you'd like to see all the details, the HOA documents, or anything else, just reach out. I'll put my contact information below, and I'll see you next time.